is up, my good kind people? Styles here with another video. Now look, I know it's been a minute, so I'm not going to waste your time, and I'm certainly not trying to waste mine. So our heat press, 400 degrees, 60 seconds, and yes, this is a sublimation video. Now this video is in direct response to a question that I got asked from an earlier video. That question was, can you use a shirt that's less than 50% polyester? I think they were like asking for about 30%, so I got you guys here a shirt. It's going to be a bella canvas, and this is going to be a 40% polyester, 60% cotton. Now, when using these types of shirts, you will get significant fading. For example, if this shirt is 40% polyester, it's only going to retain 40% of that ink, as the polyester is needed for sublimation. But we'll get into that in another video. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and tell you guys exactly why I use these shirts and why you guys might want to use them. If we have time, we'll catch up. Anyway, at 400 degrees, 60 seconds. Okay, so once again, our shirt is going to be a bella canvas. This is going to be a 40% polyester, 60% cotton. Our heat press is at 400 degrees for 60 seconds, which is pretty standard for sublimation. Now, these shirts are going to give you a significant amount of fading, and that is why I use these shirts purposely, because I'm going for the grunge look or the vintage look per se. And typically when I use these types of shirts, the images that I'm using is going to be like an old band tee or an album cover, you know, something that affects anything that you want to have appear to be older than what it really is. So again, so we have our image here, and we're just going to go ahead and go the 4 fingers down from the collar. And again, you would normally use heat tape, but in this case I'm not going to do that because our image is so large. I'm not really worried about it shifting. Butcher paper to protect our platen, and again, 60 seconds. And you guys out there in the future, you guys want to make sure that you guys use your heat tape as well as your lint brush, which I don't have at my disposal right now. But if you guys see any of my videos, then you guys are well aware of what a lint brush looks like. And so we're down to 20 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and just speed this up. I won't hold you guys because once again, people have things to do, and for myself, I'm on the way to work. But I took like 10 minutes out of my day to bring you guys this quick video. So I hope this is appreciated and that you guys are all out there doing swell. Once again, for me, it's the ink release. Finished product. Once again, this is 40% polyester, 60% cotton. And just to reiterate, I use these shirts purposely for the fade. It gives me that vintage look when I'm making my band tees, etc., etc. So as always, this has been Styles. You guys be kind. You know where to find me. If you're looking for me, hit that subscribe button, and hey, tell a friend. We'll get back on schedule shortly.